Good morning everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all having a great start of this week and you're doing great as well. But in this video we'll take a look at Pepe and that's not looking too great, at least not for now. I mean there's definitely still hope, we're still not bearish yet, but we are kind of on the edge. We're on the edge of becoming bearish or not. If we talk about Pepe itself, I mean right now it's still very early in the week. And volume hasn't really, like for Pepe, volume has picked up a little bit. It's like up 32%, but most of the volume hasn't come into the markets yet. So that could actually be a savior for Pepe. But purely technically right now, what we have done is we've broken down below 15,000. And you can clearly see on the chart that that's been a very important level. We still have the 200 EMA, which is still holding us up. So I'll do a full in-depth technical analysis of what to expect from Pepe. And if you have any questions, if you want to discuss that, we can always do that in the comments. I'm always open for that because, to be fair, I'm not always right. So if you have a different opinion, I'm always open to go into discussion about that. But before we dive into Pepe and before we do a full analysis, on that, if you want to receive daily trading signals, like you can also see at the top, check out the links down in the description or the pinned comment, and there you'll find out a little bit more about what it is, my signal group, results. You can always join the Telegram group and ask other people who are in the signal group how it is. But for now, on to Pepe. So Pepe right now, the biggest thing is that right now what we were doing earlier this week, I would argue, is that we were consolidating kind of still between 15,000 and 16,500. That's just a consolidation range. In the end, we did not go higher than like 16,000 up here, but that's not necessarily a problem. The thing is that right now we have had a bearish breakout. Now, the thing that could save us is two things. First of all, we already did this once before, and then we easily recovered. And that was because we had a lot of bullish momentum from Bitcoin. See, that was the 29th of June. If we talk about the 29th of June for Bitcoin, it was this bullish momentum, right? So that helped Pepe quite a lot. That could also happen today. Frankly, I actually do expect Bitcoin to be bullish today. So that's something we have to take into account. And right now, we also have a strong support with the 200 EMA. You can also see that we're respecting that. The thing is that what should happen if we actually want to retain our stable nature, at least for Pepe, is we should from here break above 15,000. If we can do that, well, we might even take a bullish break retest and get up to 16,500 and we're stable. And from that stability, from that consolidation, you can do a lot of things. You could even rally again, even though I think that's unlikely given the strength that we've seen over the last couple of days. Now, on the other hand, and this is also something I've been thinking about of actually potentially trading. On the other hand, if we now get a bearish break retest, so we find resistance at 15,000 and we actually respect that, so we drop down from there, then I don't think the 200 EMA is strong enough. Then sure, we might consolidate a little bit between 15,000 and 14,000, but eventually I think 14,000 would break, we get a bearish breakout, and then all of a sudden the first real big support you get is between 12,000 and 12,500. So at this point of time, it's really waiting for what we'll do. Like the volume will get back into the markets today. If that's bullish for Bitcoin and Pepe can actually break above 15,000, we might be good. The thing is that we already had bearish confirmations. The EMAs already flipped and they look like resistance now. Only the 200 EMA is not resistance yet, that's still support. And apart from that, we had a major bearish breakout, a technical bearish breakout. While Pepe actually already got quite a bit of volume, which is also not great. I mean, if you take a look at the volume for Pepe right now, it's still lower than what we had last week. But yeah, no, it's still relatively low, to be fair. But we'll see. That's the main thing. Main thing is how will we react to 15,000. I'll keep a close tab on it, but for now, that's my take on it. So if you want to see more updates on Pepe, let me know. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.